friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss with you about O-level 2017 paper. So let's get started with doing the first 10 questions of part 1. Okay, first question: which of the following decimal numbers is equivalent to the binary number 1011? Okay, let's convert this one. So I will write here first 1 1 0 1 1. So this is 2 to the power 0, then here 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Then I can ignore this one because 0 doesn't have a value. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, then 2 to the power 3 is 8. So the total value is 8 to 10, 10 1 11. So answer is first one 11. Then second question: which of the following octal numbers is equivalent to the binary number this one? Okay, let's convert. In here I have to divide this one into 3-bit clusters from left corner to right corner. So let's convert 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, then again 1 2 3. Okay, so in this one we can cut the zeros. Then here 2 to the power 1, that means 2. Here we can cut the 0 and then these two values. Then 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. Here also the same value 6. Then here all the 3 digits or 3 bits has 1, so it should be 7. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, then 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So in here the answer should be 7662 octal base 8. Fourth one. Then third question: the hexadecimal equivalent to this one. Okay, so to convert hexadecimal into binary number, likewise in the octal number we have to divide it by 4-bit clusters from left corner to right corner. So let's convert 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4, 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then a 1 is remaining, so to this one we can add another 3 zeros. We can add 3 zeros to convert that, to fill the other 3 bits. Then next one, let's see. Here zeros we can cut. Then here 2 to the power 1 2, 2 to the power 3 8, 8 8 2, it should be 10. Here 2 to the power, we can cut these 2 zeros. Then 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, then 2 plus 1 3. Here we can cut these zeros. Then 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then in here we can cut this 0. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 3 4, 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, then 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 30. Okay, then next one, in here only 1 bit is remaining, so here should be 1. In hexadecimal 10 represents A and 13 represents D. So the answer, the final answer we can get as 1D 63 A base 16. So what's the answer? It should be second one. Then next one: consider the following statements. Which of the above statements are true? A statement: 2b 16 base 16 is equivalent to 53 base 8. So let's convert this 53 base 8 into hexadecimal. So we cannot directly convert this one into hexadecimal. First we have to convert this one into binary, then after we can convert this into hexadecimal. So let's start to convert this into binary. So I will teach you a easy way. So just divide this one as 5 and 3. Then here 3. How to make 3 by 3 bits? By 3 bits we can make 2 plus 1. Then 2 to the power 0, 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we can add another 0. So likewise, how to make 5 by 3 bits? We can make 4 plus 1. So 2 to the power 2 is 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Then what happened to 2 to the power 1? It becomes 0. So now we convert this one into binary number. Now what's the next step? We can now convert this value into hexadecimal. So let's convert like this. So 2 bits are remain. So what can we do? We can add another 2 bits to complete this 4 bits. And here we can cut this 0. Then 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Here 2 to the power 3 is 8. Then 8 to 10. 10 1 11. Here we can cut all these zeros. Then remainder 2 to the power 1. It is 2. So the final answer will be 2 in hexadecimal. 11 represents B, so 2B 16. So is the statement is correct? Yes, it's correct. Then next one, B, 43 base 10 is equivalent to this value. So in here let's convert binary into decimal. Okay, let's start here. 1 0 1 0 1 1. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, here 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 0, we can cut these zeros as 0 does not contain a value. So 2 to the power 0 means 1 plus 2 to the power 1, 2, then 2 to the power 3, 8, then 2 to the power 5, 32. Then 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 1, 13, 1 remains, then 3 1, 43 base 10. The statement correct? Yes, it's correct. Then next on C, 10 10 11 base 2 is equivalent to 53 base 8. Let's see, in here we converted 53 8 into base 8 into binary. So let's see, 10 10 11. Yes, that statement also correct. So the answer is all A, B and C. Then now the fifth one, which of the following communication media uses the reflection of light? Reflection of light is used by optical fiber. Then next one, some of devices serve as either input or output. Either input or output, and while some others serve as both input and output, like touch screen. Now asking the question, which of the following serve as only output devices? That means the question is asked to find the output devices. So first one, touch screen. Touch screen is both input and output. Scanner, input device. Then printer, output device. Webcam, input device. Then printer, again output. Speaker, yes, it's also output. Printer provides us a hard copy, while speaker provides us a sound copy. What's the other one? Other one is monitor. Monitor provides us, I will write here, monitor provides us a soft copy. So these are the three copies that are given by output devices: hard copy, sound copy, soft copy. Then answer should be third one. Fourth one, touch screen both. Then again barcode reader, input device. Right. Now let's move to the next questions. Seventh one, which of the following truth tables is equivalent to the logic circuit given below. So in here this one is A is connected to a NOT gate, so it should be A bar. Then the output, all the A and B wires, or the A and B wires are connected to a NO gate, so the output should be A bar plus B, whole thing should be bar. So let's do the truth table for it. A, B, then A bar, then we can write the output. 1, there should be 4 inputs. Okay, so let's complete this table. Truth table: A, B, then here A bar, then the output 0, 0, 1, 1, here 0, 1, 0, 1, then A bar means 1, 1, 0, 0, then the output should be 0 plus 1, 1. Because of the NO gate, it will become 0. 1 plus 1, 1. Because of the NO gate, it will be 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Because of the NO gate, it will be 1. 1 plus 0, 0, 1. Because of the NO gate, it will become 0. So this output should be similar to one of them. So now you can see here. Second one is similar. Okay, then the next question: which of the following logic gate has the truth table equivalent to this one? Okay, let's find out. So here A is connected to a NOT gate, so A bar. B also, then B bar. A and B both are connected to a OR gate, so A bar plus B bar. Now what should we do? We should draw a truth table for this. Okay, then here it should be A, B, A bar, then B, A bar, B bar, and the final output 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, then A bar means 1, 1, 0, 0, then B bar means 1, 0, 1, 0, then the output should be plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. So the output of this one should be equal to one of these logic gates. For that we have to draw the logic gates for that one also, for the following also. Let's see the first one. I will write here the first one. Right. Here A, B are connected to a NAND gate, so only 3 outputs: A, B, and here the O. So here 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, then NAND gate, no? That means we have to multiply this one, multiply these values, and then we have to write the opposite one. That means 0 times 0, 0, but because of the NOT gate, we have to 1. We have to put 1. 0 times 1, 0, but here 1. 1 times 0, 0, but here 1. But in here 1 times 1, 1, but it becomes 0, the opposite one. So can you see this output is equal to this output? Yes. So first one should be the answer. I will just do the other truth tables also. Let's do second one. Here A, B is connected to a NAND gate. That means it should be A dot B bar, and after that you can see the B wire is connected to this. Again we can write A dot B, then here an OR gate, then B plus B. Okay, now let's write here A, B, then A dot B bar value, then output. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 1. Then A dot B bar. This output 1, 1, 0. Then here final output this 1 plus B. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So this is the final output of that table. Okay, then the next table you can see A and B are connected to a OR gate. So output should be A plus B, and here also an OR gate, therefore again A plus B. Then the final output should be A plus B dot, because there's a NAND gate, again A plus B. Whole thing should be bar. Whole thing should be bar. Okay, let's write it. Okay, then here I will write A plus B. Then here also A plus B, and then the final output. Okay, A plus B. 0 plus 0, Roman number 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Likewise again the same thing. Then we have to multiply these two and write the opposite one. Or opposite. 0 times 0, 0, 1. 1 times 1, 1, but it's 0. 1 times 1, 1, but it's 0. 1 times 1, 1, but it's 0 because of the bar value. Then next one, the last one is there's a no output. We have to find the no output. Because it's a NAND gate, it should be 0, then 0, then here 1, here 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the output of all these two tables. Right, then let's move to the next question. Consider the following statements. What are the above? Which of the above are key features of an operating system? So there are two main key features: managing the hardware and also providing the user interface. So let's see the answers. Managing the hardware, yes. Providing user interface, yes. Providing spreadsheet and word processing facilities, no. So it should be A and B. Next one, 10th question. Consider the following statements. So A, register memory in a computer has a smaller capacity than that of hard disk. So is this one is correct? Yes, this one is correct. Register memory is only how much capacity? Only 1 KB, 1 kilobytes. But a hard disk 100 GB. 100 GB to how much? To 6 terabytes. So this statement is totally correct. Data access speed of register memory is slower than the speed of hard disk. Now you know when the storage capacity of something is larger, the access speed should be slow. So when comparing these two, okay, these two, that means register memory and hard disk has a more capacity than register memory. Therefore, for sure, the data access speed of register memory should be faster than the hard disk. So this one is wrong. Then per bit cost to store data in register is higher than the per bit cost to store data in hard disk. Yes, it's correct. So the answer should be second one, A and C only. Now we finished all the first 10 questions in part 1. So let's finish the another 10 questions. Okay, so let's get started. 11th one. Consider the following statements. Which of the above examples create ethical issues? So let's see. Logging into a computer using a stolen user ID and pass of another person. So this creates an ethical issue because the user has logged into a computer by using another person's ID and password. Downloading and installing a free and open source software without paying for a license. So it's not, because there are two types of softwares as FOSS and also proprietary software. So proprietary software needs a license and we have to pay to take that package. For an example, Microsoft Office. But when we talking about LibreOffice, that is a FOSS. That software package is for free use. So license does not require to user to use it. Okay, so see, the manager of an online shop selling a list of email addresses of his customers to a marketing without the consent from the customer. So this also an ethical issue. So answer is A and C only. Then next one. The following four icons labeled as P, Q, R and S are commonly used in word processing software to align text. So this is left. This is center. Then this is what? Right. Consider the following statements. Which of the above statements are true? P align text to left, yes, and R align text to right, yes. Answer is correct. P align text to left, yes, and S align text only to right. No, it's for justify. So wrong. Q align text to center, yes, and S justifies text, yes. So A and C only. Then next one, 13th question. Consider the following statements regarding the task carried out on a spreadsheet file in a folder by a right-handed user. Now we have to open a folder. Right? So let's see A. Place the mouse pointer on the file and single click the right button. So when single clicking it, right? When giving a single click, what happens? A box will be open like this, right? Open as, likewise. WinRAR, likewise a set of instructions or set of things appears, and if we want to open that folder, again we have to click the left click in order to open it. So the folder is not opened directly. Then place the mouse pointer on the file and double click the right click. Now also we have to double click the right button. So is it working? No. Then also the same message will be appears whether to open or open in new window likewise. So this is also wrong. But see, place the mouse pointer on the file and double click the left button. If we double click the left button like this, what happens? Definitely the folder will open. So answer is C only. Now then the 14th question. Consider the following statements related to the use of shortcut keys in commonly used word processing software. Which of the above statements are correct? Control C is copy text. Yes. Control A used to select. Yes. Control V is used to paste objects or text already copied. Yes. Fourth one is the answer. 15th one, what would be the number display is the formula. But it is 2 to the power 3 plus 5 brackets 5 minus 3 multiply by 6 divided by 4. So now you know there are some rules that we have to follow when doing such questions. So what is that rule? It is brackets, powers, indices, division. First we have to solve brackets, then powers, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So this is the way we have to follow when doing these questions. So let's first do brackets. So what it is? Write 2 to the power 3 plus 5 minus 3, 2. Multiply by 6 over 4. Then next on powers. 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 times 6 over 4. Then division. Here what? We can cut because we can't divide 4 by 6 now. Therefore we can cut. Rather keeping this one into a decimal form. Right? Then here 2, then here 3. And then we have to do multiplication. 8 plus 2 into 3 over 2. Okay, then we can cut this. Here 1, here 1. Then 8 plus 1 times 3, 3. The next step is addition. 11, but subtraction is not given, so answer can be taken as third one, 11. Okay, then let's move to the next questions. Questions 16 and 17 are based on a spreadsheet and information given below. Okay. Circumference of a circle can be calculated with the formula where r is the radius of the circle. Assume that the value of pi is given in the cell B2. Okay, let's do. What is the formula should be entered into cell B2 to calculate the circumference B2? So there are two ways. First of all, when we this is the method that we can use if we want to find only the circumference of what? Cell B2, but it is 2 pi means cell C2 times, then R means radius A2. Then there's another formula. That means in here we have to use absolute cell and row column, absolute cell row column reference. That means we have to lock because if we use the fill header tool here and if we drag this one to drag and find the circumference, there's another way. What it is? We should lock the circumference. We should lock the circumference column as well as the row into A2. These are the two methods. If we follow this first method, we can find separately, but if we follow the second method, we can copy this formula to everyone. What happen now if I think if I copy this formula to B3 cell, what it mentions 2 times, because of this absolute cell column row reference, it will be only changing this one. It will be only changing this one by keeping this constant. Okay, so the answer is this one cannot be taken because they used the exponent mark. So 17. Which of the following will appear in cells A6 if the formula equals sum A2 to A5, A2 to A5, A to A5. So let's find the total sum. 5 2 7 7 1 8, then 2 times 4 8, 88. 88 should be divided by count A2 to A5, A to A5, 1 2 3 4. So answer is 22. Then 18th question. Consider the following statements relating to a slide with multiple objects created using presentation software. Which of the following statements are correct? The animation can be applied to multiplication objects on a given side. Yes. Then the slide transition can be applied to the whole slide only. Yes. The slide transition effect appears when the slides change from one to the next during the slideshow view. Yes. So the answer is all. Then next one, questions 19 to 22 are based on the following database tables that are used to store student subject marks. So I thought to do the next 10 questions, but in here 21, 22 also a part of this one. Therefore I have to do another 2 questions more, totally 12 questions. Right. So these are 3 tables. How many fields are there in subject table? 1, 2 fields are there and 3 records. 1. What should be the most suitable field as a primary key for the student table? Let's see. Date of birth cannot be taken because there can be more than one child who are born in the same year or same day. So this one cannot be taken. Name? No, we can't because there can be 2 sarats. 1 or more than 2 sarats or 2 more than coliters. So we cannot take. But student number we can take. Class also we cannot take. You can see Sarat, Kolita, Kapila all are studying in the 1A class. What would be an example for a foreign key in the database? Foreign key. Let's see. Subcode in the subject table. Subcode, no, it's the primary key. Then subcode in the marks table. Yes, you can see here 0, 1. So this is the foreign key in marks table. Then 22. How many marks did Kapila obtain for English? So English subcode is 3. Kapila's student number is 1003. Then in marks table, student number 1003, subcode 3, 70 marks can be earned. Right. So we discussed the next 12 questions. So let's discuss another 10 questions. Right. Okay, 23rd question. Consider the following statements related to the database software. Which of the following are correct? A collection of fields related to one object is a record. Yes. A collection of related tables is called a database. Yes. A foreign key of one table is the primary key of another table. Yes. So answer is all A, B and C. What values will be displayed for x and y respectively? The inputs of x equal 10, y equal 20 for the given flow chart. Okay, now we have to substitute. Then here start, input x is 10, y is 20. Is 20 greater than 10? So yes means now there's another variable called z. Z should be equal to y. Y is 20. Then x. Y is equals to x. Y, then what is the value of y? It should be 10. Then x is finally equals to z. Z means it should be 20. So these are the new values of x and z. So x equal 10, x equal 20. Sorry, y equals 10. So answer should be 10. 20 and 10. Then next one, 25th. Consider the following pseudocode with label P to find products of numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10 means what should be the label for P? It should be number should be less than or equals to 10. The next question, which of the following pseudocode segments is equal to the logic circuit of the algorithm given in the figure or the flowchart? In here, now we have to display what? We have to display n, and then this is a repetition loop. So let's see. N is n equal 1. No. Yeah. N equal 1. 0 plus 1. Then while n is less than or equals 10. No, n should be 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So this is a while loop, right? But in here it is a for loop. It should be a for loop. So while loops cannot be taken. So 1 and 3 can be ignored, and in here for n equal 0. No. It should be n equals 1 to 10. Do display n. Then 27th question. Consider the following pseudocode. X is equal 0. Now the variable is x. Now in this question, they expected the output. Okay, in 2017 all-level paper, this is a free mark because the correct output is not given. But I will teach you what is the correct output in here. So variable is x. X now what is the value? 0. Do display the asterisk mark. Now we have to what? As the output, we should display the asterisk mark. Now new x is equals to previous x plus another 2. That means now the new x is 2. So while now this loop should be carried out while 2 is less than 5. So is this correct? Yes, 5. 2 is less than 5. Yes, it's correct. So we have to repeat it again. Then do display asterisk mark. Again an asterisk mark should be displayed. Then the new x is previous x plus another 2. That means it should be equals to 4. Then 4 is 4 less than 5. Yes. So then again we have to carry this loop. Do display the asterisk mark. Again the asterisk mark can be displayed. Then the new x is equals to the previous x plus another 2. That means 6. While, so then the output, how many times the asterisk mark will be displayed? Only 3 times. But in here 3 is not given. So 2017 oral paper 27th question is a free mark. Then next one, consider the following pseudocode. So I will write the answer here. 3 times. Consider the following pseudocode. If average is greater than 70, then if sport color equal true, then all round award equal true. The all round award will be given only when these conditions are fulfilled. So the logic of this one is the AND. Yeah, right? So asking the logic, no, then average should be greater than 70 and also the spot color should be true. Then only we can get the all rounder award. So first one can be taken as the answer. Then next question. Use the following paragraph to question 29 and 30. Currently, users of a school library can reserve a book by filling a form. The library informs the user by sending a letter when the book is available. Sometimes the library informs the wrong users by mistake. The librarian is planning to introduce a new information system to replace the current manual system. With the new system, a user can reserve a book online. The system sends an email to the user when the book reserved is available to borrow. The librarian suggested that both manual system and the new system to operate till they make sure that the new system works without any problem. So now in the library, the librarian is planning to introduce a computer-based system. Consider the following statements related to the librarian's proposal. Which of the above statements are valid? The new state system will improve the efficiency? Yes. Improve the accuracy? Yes. The new system will have a negative impact on users who cannot get access to internet? Yes. Same as this question, a question has came to 2016 O-level also. All A, B and C. Which of the following is the proposed deployment approach of the above information system. Now the librarian has suggested to maintain the manual system and new system parallelly in order to make sure that the new system works without any problem. So it should be parallel deployment. Consider the URL. The doenets.lk is called the domain name. From this domain name, .lk means the top level domain. Same as this question, a question had came to 2016 oral also. Which of the following can be used to find a piece of information on a website when the relevant URL is not known? But what can we use? The search engine. That means Google, Chrome, like that. Now let's move to the final questions of part 1. 33rd question. Consider the following segment of an email sent to Ajit and 3 others. So to Ajit, carbon copy Rizvi and Kumar, blind carbon copy Frank. What is the facilities? So 2 can see CC, carbon copy, but not blind carbon copy. They cannot see blind carbon copy, but CC can be seen. Carbon copy people can be seen only 2. Only 2 can be seen, but blind carbon copy is not seen by them, cannot see. Blind carbon copy or BCC can see both 2 and CC. So this is the difference. If you send the email to Ajit at doe.lk as given above, who are the recipients that Ajit will see? So Ajit can see. Ajit means 2, no? Then he can see the carbon copy people. That means only Rizvi and Kumar. Second one, only Ajit, Rizvi and Kumar. Then 34th question, which of the following in HTML can be used to provide substitute information for an image if a user cannot view the image due to slow internet connection? Alternate. What is the correct HTML code segment for creating the hyperlink Ministry of Education? First of all, A, href, then we have to copy this title. Okay, I will write here URL and we have to close the tag, and then we have to write MOE, Ministry of Education. Then we can close the A. So this is the way we have to write. So answer should be this one, no. Second one. Which of the following HTML tags can be used to make a numbered list? Ordered list can be used, and bulleted list you will. 37. Consider the following scenarios. Which of the above are e-government related services? So A, obtaining a copy of an original birth certificate online. So online can be taken. So we can take this one as which service? Government to citizens. Then paying water bills. Paying water bills also government to citizens. Obtaining a revenue license for vehicle online, it also government to citizens. So answer should be A, B, C, O. Consider the following statements. A, UPS software firewall use of user name and password to log into a computer. So which of the following are examples for logical security? Then UPS, no, it's a physical security. Then software firewall, yes. Logical security, use of username and password, logical security. So third one is the answer, B and C only. Which of the following is or are an example for safe use of internet? Hiding personal information such as telephone and addresses on social media. Yes, it's a safe use one. Then clicking on emails that come from unknown persons. No, it's not a safe use. Communication with strangers on social media. Strangers, we don't know who are they. It's also unsafe. So answer is A only. Then the final question of part 1. Consider the following exam statements. Which of the above are examples for safe e-waste disposal? Careless disposal. Now careless, that means this cannot be taken as the answer. Careless, no. Handing over unusable CFL bulbs and other electronic devices to recycling centers. Yes, that's the example for recycle. Sell or donate working electronic devices to others without discarding them. This is an example for reuse. So B and C can be taken as the answer, while the other one is reduce. Reduce means reducing the amount that we are using the electronic component. So friends, this is the end of the 2017 oral paper part 1. So I hope to do the part 2 paper also very soon. I hope that you guys understood the paper part 1 well. So if you have any doubts, you can comment and ask, and I'm ready to clear your doubts. So thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe.